Now we've added significant noise to the environment. As you can see here, our decibel readings are anywhere between 40 and 84 decibels of noise. What we're going to do is we're going to switch to the Pixel Buds 2 Pro and we're going to stay quiet to see how much noise is canceled. It's going to switch. Now in today's video, we're going to take a look at the Pixel Buds Pro 2. And I'm just going to say it right from the beginning. These performed incredibly well with active noise canceling while on my most recent trip. And I want to say that these are my go-to when it comes to noise cancellation on planes. They were spectacular. But in today's video, we're going to do a full review. We're going to take a look at the audio. We're going to look at the call quality test. And we're going to see how well these do. And one other thing I'll highlight is that these fit amazingly well too. So let's get right to it. Now, I've had every version of the Pixel Buds since its very first launch. And these are my absolute favorite. And I want to say that they finally arrived. They are the most mature, best sounding, most comfortable, best performing when it comes to noise canceling on a plane. And I'll just tell you, I really, really like these a lot. From a battery life perspective, they have 8 hours of active noise canceling capabilities. So if you have them in your ears and you're using the active noise canceling, which is spectacular, you're going to get 8 hours. If you turn off the active noise canceling, you'll get 12, which is also really good. 30 hours, if you think about it with active noise canceling, 48 hours with no ANC. So depending on your usage, your battery life is going to vary. It does support Qi charging, which is great. It's using active noise canceling 2.0 with something that they call silent seal. Transparency mode is there, and they have 11mm drivers, and they do have multi-pair capabilities. And that was something that is really important to me, and I know to a lot of you, because if you want to be able to have your laptop and your phone connected, or your iPad and your phone connected, or just multiple devices, maybe some of you carry 2 phones, one personal, one for work. This is going to be able to support both. It has beamforming mics that basically has AI and is going to deal with wind and wind blocking. So let's go ahead and check them out. And by the way, these feel so good in your ears too. They really do. Let's take a closer look. Now the earbuds themselves, the case looks like you've always, if you have Pixel Buds, they look pretty much the same, right? I'm going to go ahead and open this up. And the earbuds lock in. These are more like earplugs. I would put them in that category. They do support wireless charging. They have a little pairing function. So if I put this right here, you can hear the wireless charging going off, right? Which is really nice. And then they have also a pairing button as well that if you need to get these paired for whatever reason, you can. And you can see that right there. Take them out. They self-guide really nicely. And these are literally like little buttons. So they have a little stabilizer there. You can see the stabilizer and you can see the contact points. And I'm going to put these on so you can see how nice these are. They disappear, right? So I'm going to put these on and let me see. I have them on. They have transparency mode, as we mentioned, and the transparency mode isn't really robotic. They also have the ability where when you talk, it enables transparency mode. And I want to say that they're the best performing when it comes to switching. Other earbuds, even the Galaxy Buds, the latest ones that I use, those, for example, have a slight latency. Maybe they'll fix it with firmware, but there's a slight lag. These are almost instantaneous. Now, I just recently went on a business trip, and I took 5 earbuds with me on the plane, and I wanted to test them out to see how well they did on the airline. And the thing I'll highlight is that I am a fan of Bose. I have my Bose, the Quiet Comforts. I have them in. They're my go-to when it's on a plane and I want to get nice noise canceling. But I had them. I had the new, I had the Samsung Galaxy Buds. I had these with me. I had the new sound cores as well because they have a great new feature that deals with noise, air cabin pressure. And I had a couple other ones that I can't talk about yet. But I tested them all out. And these ranked second, if not close to, the Bose. They just did fantastic on the plane. And I kept on taking them out and putting them in because I was just kind of like, did they sound really that good? And they did. They reduced all the cabin noise. They reduced the sound of the engines. Just a great experience when it came to active noise canceling. And the cool thing about this is that when I started speaking and the flight attendant came over, it switched over really quick and I didn't have to take them out of my ear, which sometimes I have to do, even with my Bose, right? So, and then with the Samsung ones, definitely because they have that slight lag. So these performing either 1 or 2 in my chart of active noise canceling for plane usage. So let's talk about the audio. Bass, mids there present, good music separation, very comfortable. See this? It's like if you put some earplugs in. And I wore them for 8 hours. So I flew on a plane twice that same day. It was a day trip. 4 hours in the morning, 4 hours in the afternoon. And then I had one earbud in as I was walking through and doing the things I was doing. I was at a conference speaking, and basically I was wearing only one throughout the day as well, as I wanted to try out what the comfort was with the in-ear style and kind of like the plugs that they're in. These, when you put them in your ear, right, you twist, right? So you put them in, and then you twist. And then once you twist, they kind of lock in. And they just work. So great bass, great mids, also good music separation, immersive, great active noise canceling. Let's get into the call quality test. Now next we're going to do a call quality test of the Pixel Buds Pro 2 in a quiet environment. If we take a look at our decibel readings, we're looking around 38 to 40 decibels of noise. Let's go to switch. This is what the Pixel Buds would sound like in a quiet environment. This is the test, 1, 2, 3. This is our test. Next, let's add some wind. Now this is what the Pixel Buds 2 Pro would sound like with wind in the environment. This is a test, 1, 2, 3. This is our test. Now we've added significant noise to the environment. As you can see here, our decibel readings are anywhere between 40 and 84 decibels of noise. What we're going to do is we're going to switch to the Pixel Buds 2 Pro, and we're going to stay quiet to see how much noise is canceled. It's going to switch. Now this is what the Pixel Buds 2 Pro sound like in a noisy environment. This is a test, 1, 2, 3. This is our test. Now if you're wondering what they sound like with the nipping crying in the background, this is what they sound like with the nipping crying in the background. Now if you're wondering what they sound like with the dog barking in the background, well, this is what they're going to sound like with the dog barking in the background. Now, if you're wondering what they sound like with the doorbell ringing, this is what they sound like with the doorbell ringing.
You look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings out. You look at me like I'm different. Still you stay cause you feel something real. Get so lost in my moments. Doesn't mean I don't need you. I fell in love with your colors. They kind of tell me what I'm thinking. I fell in love with bass.
So guys, I'd recommend picking up the Pixel Buds 2 Pro. They sound great, fantastic active noise canceling for those of you who are traveling on planes. They also have great call quality, great all-day comfort. They just feel so good in your ears, and I'm just really enjoying these. These are the best buds that I've tested in a while from Google. See you in the next video.